Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So you probably have seen me in the same top, but I did film several videos today. So I am excited. This is a new box to my channel. This is like a mental health lifestyle box. We all have our days, we all have our moments, and I thought this box is just perfect. I bought it off a discount coupon for 20% off from Reviews with Sue, and I have a 20% discount off this box because I am sure you're going to want it. This is the Island Creole box, and it was, the creator is, I want to say her name wrong, the creator is Nerva. And she has like 3 children, and when she had her last child, she's like, I just need like a mental health day. And she created this box. And I'm sure you'll love it just as much as I enjoyed it. Now, it is a mystery box. So whatever I get in this box, you might not get in your box, but you'll be happy. Let's just say that. And of course, it came with this beautiful bow. I can wear it on my head. And I want to say this is, I don't think it's a monthly, I think it's a bi-monthly, but all the details, the link, the discount code, everything will be below. And look at how nice. It says, hello Queen, cheers to women, empowerment and self-care for your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Always with love, Nerva. And I'm just so excited to get in it. I don't see a card in here. There might be one at the bottom. I don't remember if Sue had a card. You know, it is a mystery box, so it's kind of hard to put cards in there. So we'll just have to guess. And the first thing is this cute little green bag. And it has green tea by Yogi. And I have to say, this smells amazing. I would thought it would be like just a plain green tea. It wouldn't have much of a smell, but it has an awesome smell. The next item is by Quabella. It's a cooling avocado clay mask, and it's suitable for all skin types. So who doesn't love a good mask? And then this was like a spring green theme kind of box. So they put nail polish in here. Now look at that color. I'm normally like not a green person, don't go outside the box, but I just might have to give this a try. It's probably just regular polish, not a gel. So I'm gonna have to try it. Then the next thing for our self-care is this huge bath bomb. Oh my gosh. This smells like bath. It smells clean. So I'm excited to get that. And then we have the Everyone hand sanitizer spray in lavender and aloe. And I keep these everywhere in the house, so loving that. The next item is by Live Green. This is an exfoliating Cecil washcloth, and it's a 2-pack. And I love this kind of stuff for the shower. You just add, it's all kind of packaged up here, but you just add like soap and scrub your body. And of course, it's that time of the season where you're shaving your legs all the time, putting lotions on all the time. So this is perfect. And then we have an exfoliating foot mask. Now this says, oh, it's 1 pair. It's coconut and lavender. And when I sit down at night and watch whatever TV show we're watching, I put on a foot mask. And I don't know if this is the peeling off one, you know, the one you wear, your whole bottom ends up coming off your foot. But not complaining. And then we got this beautiful container, and I'm gonna guess it's a lip oil or lipstick, or because it's so light it weighs nothing. And again, it's for getting your lips all moisturized, so not complaining about that. Oh, there might be another one. This one has pineapples. This one had lemons. And, oh, it's the same one. It's it's the same concept. It's probably just a different scent. I don't see the scents on there, but maybe this is, tastes like pineapple and this tastes like lemon. Yay! And then we have, because this is women's self-care, relax, breathe, and begin again. And this is a journal. And I'm not a big journal person, but you never know. If you're just having a rough day, you don't have to fill it out every day. You just might want to put in here, like if I take a bath, what I'm doing. I mean, it's really nicely bound. Oh, and it has started the day, goals for today, ended the day. So this might be a good thing for me. I haven't been successful yet, but hopefully now. And there's all these cute little stickers we got. Tea time. And then we have good things, take time. So you can put these in your journal if you want. And then my favorite thing in the box is this last item. And when I saw Sue unbox it, I'm like, I want that candle. Now she is so sweet, she probably would have given it to me, but I'm like, I can't take it from her. And this is a Restore, and it's lavender and coconut, which seems to be the theme. And oh my gosh, it smells so relaxing. So while I'm doing my feet and my mask, I can put my candle, and to make sure, they sent these cute little matches. And then there's more stickers in here. We have, can't read this one, creativity, curiosity, culture, and this is the Island Create box. So this is her own design sticker. So how cool is that? So I think that's everything I got in the box, and I'm totally bummed because I thought it was a great box. Let me know what your favorite item is. So we're just going to recap. We got the lavender and coconut candle with matches. We got 2, and now I have to smell them to see if they smell like pineapple. I don't really smell anything. I think it's probably just the way the box looks. So we have the pineapple and the lemon. We have an exfoliating foot mask. We have these 2 exfoliating washcloths. I'm getting that green stuff everywhere. We have a cooling avocado clay mask. We have this gorgeous green color. I mean, hopefully the next time I videotape, I'll have the screen on. We got the bath bomb. We have the hand sanitizer spray. We have all these cute little stickers. And then we have the Relax, Breathe, and Begin Again book. It's a journal. And then we have our tea bags. How could I forget our tea bags? They're still smelling up the house. And they gave us 5? Didn't even count them before. 4. We have 4 tea bags. So again, let me know what your favorite item is. I was actually very impressed with this box, and I want to say it retails for like maybe $49.99, and then I got the 20% off, but all those details will be listed below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to put up with me and my silliness. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.